Let's walk through how you can make quick edits to your video clips. From your event page, go to your media gallery and find the video you want to edit. Give it a double click to open the edit view. Click Edit Video to open up the editor. Drag the handles of the trim tool to cut the beginning or ending of the clip, and use the split tool to divide the clip into multiple parts. To undo the split, just click out of the highlighted area and merge to bring them back together. You can also rotate your clip if it was uploaded sideways, and crop your video. Plus, you can fine-tune color settings and apply filters. When you're done making edits, click Done. If you want to undo all edits, click Restore Original. When a video clip is playing in your VidDay, the background music will lower, giving your clip more focus. To avoid this, you can toggle clip audio off, and the background music will continue playing at its normal volume for this clip. If you want to completely fade out your background music of your VidDay while this clip is featured, just toggle the background music off. And that's how you edit a video clip with VidDay. These quick tools help you clean up things and keep the flow smooth.